Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and the topic on today's video is a question that I've been asked a good bit lately, and that is why are so many ICOs now trading below their ICO price? So look, there's a lot of different reasons for that. I'm going to take you through a few of them, and look, as I said, there's going to be lots of other ones depending on each individual coin. Some of them are going to be where the team doesn't actually follow through on whatever they promised. There can be unforeseen circumstances with some as well. But some of the more common ones. So right at the minute, the market is in a downtrend. So people who bought ICOs in January, February, they have now hit the market in the last while, and we have seen a big decline in the actual price that the coin is trading at compared to what people bought in the ICO. So that is down to the market. I would say if it's a good coin and you believe in it, if you believe in the technology and everything like that, then I wouldn't really worry about it. There are some ICOs I got into earlier in the year, some traditional ICOs that are trading slightly below. You can see some of them here. Where are we? BF token is one that I got in. I think that one is slightly below or maybe around it, but again, it was a long term for me. Debitum, or however you pronounce it, you can see here, this one is below, but again, it's one that I got into for the long term, so it's one I am going to hold my coins, and I'm not too worried about short term. So that is one of the upfront reasons why these things happen. But another big reason, and I'm seeing it more and more now, is that ICOs are having huge private sales, and they're giving massive discounts to people who come in and buy big amounts. So as soon as the coin, so they might be buying at half the price that you were buying in the actual normal ICO. They buy in a private sale before that. They buy for half the price that you do. So as soon as it hits the exchange at around the ICO price or slightly above it, the people who bought in the private sale are quite happy to sell because they have doubled their money, sometimes triple their money, and they're happy to get out because these guys are coming in with big money. So when they are able to double or triple it, they are more than happy to sell off and get out. So when you are getting involved in an ICO, if it is one that you are looking at for more a quick flip, then make sure you look into as much as possible, research into, have they had a private sale? If they have had a private sale, which a lot of them have had now, see can you find out what the price of that private sale was, so you can know what to expect. When the ICO actually hits the market, then are you expecting the price to tank due to private investors dumping their coins? So as well as that, you see a lot of ICO pools getting started up now. I'm involved in one as well. Actually, I'm involved in two, and they're private groups of people who we all contribute into one address, and then that person is the one who makes the investments. I don't own any of them, I just participate in them, and then that person invests in different ICOs because the funds all come from one account. You are allowed to get involved in the private ICOs. I will say anyone getting involved in them, they are popping up everywhere now, so be very careful. Only get involved in ones that you trust the people who are going to manage the funds, because like anything, when scammers see money, they think it's a great way to set up a pool, tell people you're getting all these brilliant prices within ICOs, get in a lot of money and then run off. So always trust the people you're getting involved in. I know one of the questions I'm going to get asked is what one do I recommend? Currently there are none of them open that I know of that I would recommend. The ones that I got into are now closed for new people. There may be new ones opening in the future. If there are, I will do a new video on it to let you know. So that's my thoughts on why coins are trading below ICO prices. If it's a coin that you believe has a long-term future, then maybe you can hold on to the coin. If it's one that you were looking at as a quick flip, you don't really believe in it, then maybe you can decide to sell or do whatever you want. As usual, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm sharing with you my thoughts on this, and you guys can make up your own mind on what you want to do. So as well as that, don't just look at the dollar price. So you can see all of these ones are on the dollar price. Make sure you look at how much Bitcoin you put in or how much Ethereum you put in. See what it costs you to get involved, and then what the actual Bitcoin is, what your coins are worth in Bitcoin or Ethereum now. Because the loss in Bitcoin or Ethereum might not be as big, or it might be bigger than what the USD value shows. So thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know down below. Hopefully this type of information is useful. Click the like button, click subscribe if you got value, and I will talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching.